In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your own online digital business in 1 to 2 days and start making $900 or more in a day. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk, and now I just help people make money online so they can live a life of freedom. So I had a $900 today already. I've already made $900 today, and it's not even 2 o'clock in the afternoon while I'm recording this video. So that's proof that this business works, okay? Because our top selling product sells for $900, right? So basically, this is what you need to do, because I've been building this business for the past year. So I can tell you everything that you need to do and everything that I've done to make multiple five figures so far. And I'm on my way to 6 figures. So basically, this is what you need to do. You got to get started. Okay. To get started with this business, you purchase one of the programs. So after you purchase the program, you're going to have instant access to everything. Okay. You're going to have instant access to your business, to our community. And all you got to do is set up your business, which you can do in 1 to 2 days. You plug into the community for training and support, and then you're following a 2-hour workday. Okay. So that 2-hour workday consists of posting 3 pieces of content to social media. It could be short form videos, long form videos. If you're doing YouTube, whatever. Okay. But if you're doing like other platforms, you can do short form videos. Like you can do a 7-second video with words on the screen. You can do talking videos, 30 seconds to a minute. We teach you how to do everything step by step. Even if you have no experience, you don't need a following, you don't need tech skills, you don't need any experience to do this. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, 2 hours a day. And basically we use social media to attract customers. You set up your business, you post content. So 3 pieces of content a day. You can go live on social media, and you can also copy and paste free ads, because we have these there's these high traffic websites you can go to and post free ads. It's kind of like Craigslist, but you can post them for free. So you can do one of these things. So what I do every day, I post content every day, at least 3 pieces of content minimum, and I go live. So basically I post content and I go live. I don't really post free ads so much anymore. Okay. So that's what I've done. I just post content, I go live. That's how I built this business to multiple 5 figures, and I'm on my way to 6 figures. Okay. So yeah, get started, set up your business, follow the 2-hour workday. That's all you need to do. Now I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to show you what this business looks like in detail. Okay. So when you get started with this business, you don't have to create anything. We give you everything. This is basically a business in a box. Okay. So we give you everything. We give you the products, the digital programs that you can resell, the website, and the sales funnel. So here's the sales funnel, right? Someone goes to your link. They're going to go here. This is called a capture page. Okay. So they put their email in, you're capturing their emails, you're building your email list. Okay. Every time they put their email in, they become a lead, a potential customer inside of your system. So they put their email in, right? And then it takes them to this page. Well, this page is a thank you page. Okay. So they're going to go here and they're going to watch this video. Now this video is doing the selling for you. And there's just testimonies here as well. Wins from our community, $1,800 a day, $10,000 for March, $1,300 a day, $1,500 dings, $2,000 a day, 5,008 days. Okay. Those are wins inside of our community. So they're going to watch this video and they're going to watch another video. And then you can see there's these little buttons underneath the video, and it takes them to your website. Okay. So here is your website. Here is your digital storefront. Now we resell these 4 different digital programs. These are digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is $1 billion a day industry. Okay. So think about education, information, training, programs, courses, ebooks. That's e-learning. So what do these programs teach? They teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. They teach you how to become an entrepreneur. They teach you how to build multiple streams of income and how to build a brand and how to attract customers. That's the kind of stuff you are going to learn inside of these programs. And then you have the master resell rights to these programs. That's how you're able to resell them and earn 100% profit. That's how I made $900 today so far, because somebody went here and they purchased one of my programs. You see, they went to the checkout page and they purchased a program for $900. That's how I made $900 today. Okay. So there's no limit to how many sales you can get. They can buy, like, there's no limit. You just got to send people to your website. Okay. You got to send people to your capture page. And the reason you want to have a capture page and a sales funnel is because that way your follow-up process is automated. That means you don't have to manually get on the phone with people. You don't have to message people, because your emails are doing the work for you. That's how I made 900 today without talking to anybody. I never even spoke to this person. Total strangers will buy from you. You just post content, you attract customers. Okay. I'm proof of that, because I made 900 today because I attracted a customer through my content or through my lives. Okay. So here's the 4 different digital programs. You get this website. This website's already done for you. Okay. How would an extra $900 a day change your life? That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. And soon we're launching our $1,400 product in the next week. So we're have another, it's going to be the bundle pack. So there's going to be some more trainings like TikTok shop trainings, AI trainings, plus the program is going to be in English and Spanish. So now you can market to not only English speaking people, but you're going to be able to market this program to Spanish speaking people. Even if you don't know how to speak Spanish, we're going to teach you how to use AI to create Spanish talking videos for you. Okay. 50,000 members in our community, $29 million in sales paid to our community in 10 months by reselling these programs. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So if you want to start this business, you purchase one of the programs. Okay. You get your first sale by reselling a program. You get your investment back. Your business is free. And then every sale after that is profit. Like I've made multiple 5 figures, like all profit. All of the money I've made is profit paid directly to me. Okay. We earn 100% profit. You get certified. Okay. You get certified. So you become a certified reseller of the program. We have training for that. It's like a 2-hour training. There's testimonies on your website. There's wins. So here is like your bio. You put your pictures here. You put see how I have my pictures. That's me in the Bahamas. That's me in Nepal. I have my pictures here. I have a little bio here. Okay. So my website is branded to me, but this same exact website is going to be branded to you. Okay. So imagine if you could earn 900 per day, 2 hours of work from anywhere, freedom to travel and live life, build a profitable brand that attracts customers, earn money online right away, even if you have no experience or you failed before, and just take control of your financial future without relying on a 9-to-5 job. Okay. So someone can come to your website, they purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900. Plus there's installment plans to get started with every program. If you want to get started with an installment plan or your customer wants to get started with a payment plan, we have payment plans available as well. Like Afterpay, you can use all of these, Klarna, Afterpay, all of them, Affirm. I think pretty much there's payment plans available in all kinds of payment plans. Okay. And if you need help with that, just reply to my emails. Go to 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the bio. Reply to my emails if you have any questions. Okay. So that's just what the website looks like. This is what I'm showing you. You see how I have my pictures here? You put your pictures there instead. So it's branded to you. Or if you want to do faceless, you can use faceless pictures. So this is perfect for you if you want to earn some extra income. You want more financial security. You want to work from anywhere. You're tired of trading your time for money. You want a proven system that works. Retirement is around the corner and you need more income. Okay. You want peace of mind. Like you want to be done with financial stress. You want financial freedom. You want peace of mind. You want more time for You want more time for travel, hobbies. You want to spend more time with your family. You want something that you can grow at your own pace. You want something that's proven, something where you can actually see real results. You want a step-by-step system and you're ready to live life on your terms. Then this is for you. This process works of reselling products, just like Apple phones. How many companies sell Apple phones and they make thousands, millions, even billions of dollars reselling Apple phones? Reselling other people's products, it's not new. Amazon does it, supermarkets do it, department stores do it. Everybody sells other people's products. It's a business. Okay. So why is this better than other opportunities? Because we earn 100% profit. This is not MLM. This is not affiliate marketing. No tiny commissions, no monthly fees, 100% profit paid directly to you. That's why it's better than other business models. Okay. And then you also get these bonuses. When you get started, you get these bonuses. You get access to our community where there's live mentoring from 6 and 7-figure incrementers. You get that for free. You get to learn how to create your own communities. You get to learn how to create content with Canva. You get my first million at 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. And you get 200 digital product ideas. Okay, so you can create your own offers and market your own offers too. So we teach you everything you need to know about being an entrepreneur. Okay, so that's the website. Just giving you a quick rundown. You can go to 7-Figure Monk and check it out yourself. Okay, there's a link in the description. Okay, just put your email in, check your folders for the word blueprint. Reply if you have any questions. Once you're inside of my automations, the same automations I use are the same automations that you get to use. Mine are just branded to me. That's all. Okay, so let's say let's say you make a decision and you're ready to get started. So what you do is you purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website, and then you're going to have instant access to your product. Okay. So your program is going to be kept inside of this platform called Kajabi. Okay. So you can see your certification trainings here, your bonuses are here. And then you just want to go inside of the program. The program shows you how to do everything. So you just go here, you go inside of the program, click here to get started, what to expect. Okay, everything is like a recipe. You just follow the step-by-step blueprint, okay? And then one of the first things you got to do is set up your website, right? You got to get your system set up. You got to get these pages set up. That's how you make money. So that's how you receive payments. So you got to set that up, right? It's very important. So you got to go to GoDaddy, for example. You get your own domain like sevenfiguremonk.com, professional email address. You can get that there as well. You need a professional email for email marketing purposes, okay? And then you got to set up your payment gateways to your website, like Stripe, like PayPal, Square. Set up your payment gateway because that's how you receive payments, okay? And then you just got to copy and paste your information, and then you're going to have your pages. They're going to look something like this. And then your business is ready to go. Your business is launched, and now you just need customers so you can make money, so you can live a life of freedom. Because that's why we start a business, because we want to live a life of freedom, whatever freedom means to you. Freedom to me, I just like to travel. I like to buy fun stuff. Maybe one day I'll buy a Porsche. Maybe one day I'll buy a beach house. I like to travel the world. I like to go to concerts. That's freedom for me, okay? So after you set up your website, then you just gotta basically go through this launch kit for your online business. This shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Your vision, it explains the 2-hour workday. Choose your social media platform. What is attraction marketing? Who is your customer? Questions to ask AI to help you create content. We teach you how to use ChatGPT and AI to help you create your content. Storytelling to attract your customer. We teach you storytelling marketing so you can connect with people and relate with people, because connection equals currency. And then you just go through the rest of the training in the program around your schedule, okay? I still have a lot of lessons. I only completed 46. I still have a lot of lessons to go through. And every time I watch one of these trainings, I always learn something new. I always have some kind of like aha moment every time I go through the trainings, okay? So that's that. That's where the product is, okay? Now let me show you inside of our community. So here's our community. Like once you're inside of our community, you can introduce yourself, ask questions, post wins. We got 56,000 people in our community right now. Let me just show you proof that people are making money right today. Okay. You're probably going to see me here too. Let's see. No job pays like this. Cecilia's made $1,000 already. For the week today, I guess she made $1,000 today. Let's see another one. Okay, here's Tim. Tim's made 6,000 since October 1st. Okay, I learned everything here and I'm so grateful. Just follow the blueprint, right? Just follow the blueprint. He made $6,000, guys, already. Here's me. See, Dan Bellin, that's me. $900 while living my life. I didn't hustle harder. I just followed the system. If it's possible for me, it's possible for anybody in this community. If it's possible for me, it's possible for you. Okay, that's another one. Here we go. Sale, 300. She's almost made 100K with this business. She's $400 away from 100K. Okay, $400 away. And then you can see like everyone's like, congratulations. Everyone's like cheering you on inside of the community. So you're going to get love and support inside of this community. Maybe you don't get that at your house. Maybe you don't get that with your friends, but you're going to get love and support here. $100 sale while cooking. Let's go. $900 sale while grocery shopping. So you can see the money is flowing in, okay? This is just one page of wins. This is just for today, okay? We have 30 posts on each page and there's 31,000 pages of wins. So I could go on reading pages. I could read the wins all day, but I'm not going to do that. So inside of our classroom, we have more trainings. This is where you can watch the webinar replays. You can watch the mindset replays. I mean, the mindset training. You can watch the mentoring Zoom replays, social media training, content vault, 6 figures in 6 months training. There's just an abundance of training here. So you can't say that we give you everything. We give you a business, we give you community, we give you training, everything you need to be successful. You just have to take action because God helps those that help themselves. Like it's based on your effort. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's based on your effort. Just like I put in the effort, that's why I made $900 today. That's why I've made multiple 5 figures, because I take action. Okay, I post content. I go live every day, right? That's why. Here's our calendar. This shows you the live events that we're having. We have every Monday we have Millionaire Mentoring. So every Monday there's Millionaire Mentoring. Okay, tech support if you need help with your website or whatever. There's tech support. There's Q&A audits. There's all kinds of stuff. Mindset training this October. I mean, this October 16th. I love the mindset training. It's always good. Okay. And so like I said, all you got to do is get started, purchase one of the programs, and then plug into our community, introduce yourself, and then you're just following the 2-hour workday, basically, okay? Post 3 pieces of content a day, go live, or post free ads. You respond to messages, you respond to comments, you respond to emails, and you go through a little bit of the training in our community. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I do the 2-hour workday. I'm going to show you how, like, examples of me posting content on YouTube. Okay, just to give you some examples, right, of how I build my business, now how I've made a multiple 5 figures so far. I post long form videos on YouTube. Like this video that I'm creating right now, this is a long form video that I'm going to post on YouTube. It's a video over 10 minutes. Okay. So I have all these long form videos, right? And we teach you how to build on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, like the main ones like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We teach you how to build your business on these platforms. We have training for that. Okay. Shorts. Now I keep my shorts. I like to keep them like under a minute, you know, in general. So I keep my shorts, like if I'm doing a talking video, I like to keep it like a minute or less. I'm just talking about my business. I'm sharing my story. That's all I'm doing. I'm talking about my business and sharing my story, creating curiosity. Those are business posts, right? Sometimes I'll have something just value, nothing about business. Just depends. Okay, here's like a B-roll video. I just create like a 7-second video of me doing anything, like me walking. I just create this little 7-second video. Then I use ChatGPT and AI, and I create words, and I copy and I paste the words on the screen. It's called text overlay. You see? So that's a business, okay, with some trending audio attached. Okay, so there you go. That's how I create my shorts and stuff. Now let me go back. So there's my long videos, and you can see I like to go live on TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. Like I'll have my phone live on TikTok and then on my computer live on YouTube, and that's how I go live. Okay, my lives are recorded and saved so people can watch my live replays. Okay, that's my content out there working for me 24/7. That's called leverage. Okay, and then if you want, you can even do written posts on YouTube. Like I posted a proof that I made money. I had a $900 day today, so I just posted that. Okay, here I posted that, and then here's just like a value post, value post, value post, business post, value/business, business, value. See how I do a variety of value and a variety of business. Value just means I'm not pitching anything. I'm just giving some tips about mindset, business, or something like that. That's called value post. All right. So that's it. So just go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Put in your best email. You're going to get an email from me. It's going to say, here's your blueprint. There's 2 videos you can watch. There's a PDF. It shows you how to make 10K with digital marketing, your first 10K. So all the information is there. Check it out. If you have questions, just reply to my emails. It's simple as that. Okay. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's stressed out financially and they're looking for ways to make money online, then just share this video with them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. God